Welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today is Make It Your Own Monday, so I chose to do a farmhouse bead garland for you guys. And all you need is some jute cord and some wooden beads. I got mine at Walmart, but I'm sure you could get them at any Joann Fabrics or Michael's. And I also used this sparkly gold ribbon for mine. Keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. First, we're going to start with the tassel, and all you have to do is wrap the jute around your 4 fingers a few times. It depends on how many little tassels you want. So after that, you cut the cord. Secure the top with more cord by tying a knot. Don't cut the cord yet. That's what we're going to use for the beads. So after that, you cut the bottom to create the tassel pieces. Now take your ribbon and make an upside down loop and hold it against the tassel and start wrapping the ribbon around the jute cord as many times as you would like. When you're done wrapping, take that end piece and place it through the upside down loop that we made, and then pull the top piece sticking out of the ribbon, pull it tight. This will hide the knot, and then you cut the 2 pieces that are sticking out at the top and the bottom, and now you can't see where you knotted it. Unwind a bunch of the jute cord, more than you think you need, because we're going to use that to thread the beads on and also make another tassel at the other end. I wrapped tape around the end of my cord because it just makes it easier to put the beads on. the beads are on, tie a knot at the end, and you'll want to leave a little bit of slack for the beads to move around, because if not, it'll be really tight and it'll look really stiff. Start your tassel on this end in the same way that we did the first one. Cut the end after wrapping the cord around your fingers and use that cut piece to secure the top. Then cut the ends to make the tassel pieces and attach your ribbon the same way that we did before. And now you're all done. Aren't they super cute? And you can use these anywhere. You can use them when decorating for fall, or they look really cute when you're doing your Christmas decor or in a Christmas tree. I had a lot of fun making this garland, and I hope you make some of your own. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And please let me know in the comments below what kinds of DIYs or recipes you guys would like to see. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.